ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम श्री कृष्णाय परमात्मने नमः। श्री भगवानुवाच कामात्मानस्वर्गपरा जन्म कर्म फलप्रदां क्रियाविशेषबहुलां भोगैश्वर्यगतिं प्रति। 43rd sloka, second chapter. In this sloka, Bhagavan continues what generally the not wise persons will do. Kamat manaha. Generally, those people only who thinks worldly desires are very important to them, and Swargapara, only reaching heaven or going to heaven is ultimate aim of their goal, ultimate aim of their life. One who always want to enjoy the worldly desires or wants to acquire worldly things, and through that they want to enjoy only the worldly desires, those person will think that going to heaven is their ultimate goal. The janma karma phala pradam, this birth is given due to janma marana cycle. The karma phala of the worldly desired actions like yajna, rituals, japa, everything, this birth itself as a result of karma phala, which is meant to enjoy the worldly desires, and only goal is to have attaining or reaching the Swargam, heaven, as the only goal. Till that time you enjoy whatever worldly desires. Kriya Vishesha Bahulam. Like that, there are not only one or many rituals, many karmas are there, to special karmas, say rituals, special rituals and special yajnams to meet special requirements, all those things. So the Veda Purvam, which contains rituals and yajnams including upasana, personal karma, upasana, all these things are there to perform and get the karma phalam of worldly desires, enjoy that and reach heaven. Again you rebirth, reborn as a human being, again you enjoy. This is the cycle. They who are all having desires in worldly desires and who can have the maximum, their life goal is to reach heaven. So those people are exactly Bhoga Aiswaryam Gatim Prati. They don't think any other things. Enjoy everything, perform rites, perform karmas, karma phala, you get everything, you enjoy everything, you reach heaven, you reborn again, do karma, again enjoy everything. That is the maximum things. They will keep on do that. They never think that rebirth should not happen, I should not reborn, I should not go to moksham. Moksham they never think. Only Swargam is their ultimate goal. So those people are unwise. they are fools, they are idiots. That's all Bhagavan Krishna wants to emphasize once again. Who are all having worldly desires, who are all having aim of going to heaven, who are all having only concentrating of or working towards that worldly desires, those people are fools. That's all Bhagavan Krishna wants to convey this to Arjuna. Please don't be such a type of person. So tomorrow we shall see one more sloka. Till then, that is 44th sloka. Till then, Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om Tat Sat.